I am Gladys, and today we're going to assemble an epic crib. Make sure you have all the proper pieces and hardware, and if anything is missing, please call customer care. One way to know you're working with the right hardware is to compare them with the illustrations that come in the instructions. Like that. The first step is to attach the top and bottom back rails to the back posts. And for this, we're going to need 4 75mm bolts, 4 barrel nuts, and the provided Allen wrench. If you're working by yourself, please do it on the floor, it's easier, and always use the labels as guidance. We're going to flip the pieces because the barrel nuts go on the outside. Remember to insert the barrel nut on sideways so the bolt can go through. And don't forget to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. Like that. And you're done. The second step is to attach the sides of the crib to the back of the crib. And for this, we're going to need 4 55mm bolts, 4 barrel nuts, and the provided Allen wrench. Don't forget to insert the barrel nut sideways so the bolt can go through. And in this step, it actually goes underneath the side of the crib. Like so. And the bolt goes behind the back of the crib. Like that. The third step is to attach the mattress support, and for this we will need 4 18mm bolts and the provided Allen wrench. Make sure to use the highest position for your newborn and then go downwards as your child grows. Don't forget to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten all the bolts. In order to make the next step easier, we're not going to tighten this side all the way. And we're done. The final step is to attach the stabilizer bar and front rail to the crib. And for this, we're going to need 4 75mm bolts, 4 barrel nuts, and 4 metal pins. Don't forget your provided Allen wrench. If you're working by yourself, it's better if you start with the stabilizer bar. Insert the 4 pins. We're going to use the bolts and barrel nuts to hold the stabilizer bar in place, so we're not going to tighten them all the way. Also, remember to insert the barrel nuts sideways so the bolt can go through. The barrel nut goes under the stabilizer bar. Don't forget to use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten them. Don't forget to tighten the side of the mattress support that we left loose. And that's it. Don't forget to put the instructions back in the pouch they came in. You're going to need them later. Congratulations, you've just assembled your epic crib. Now we're going to convert the crib into a daybed. Remember those instructions you put away? You're going to need them. So the first step is to remove the front rail and stabilizer bar, and all you will need is the provided Allen wrench. Remember, the mattress support should be on the lowest position since your child now is bigger. In order for this step to be easier, you can loosen up one of the sides of the mattress support. The last step in the conversion is to attach the stabilizer bar. And for this, you will need 2 barrel nuts, 2 75mm bolts, and 2 metal pins. And of course, the provided Allen wrench. Don't forget to insert the barrel nut sideways so the bolt can go through. Always use the short side of the Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. Like that. Don't forget to tighten the side of the mattress support that we left loose. And you're done. Toddler guard rail and bed conversion rail are available for purchase.